Hi, so you got the gift of internet maturity. Wow, looks like someone really cares about your success and safety. Let's see what comes out of your gift box. 2 posters, 2 booklets and 1 envelope which is shouting to be opened first. It's the most important part of your gift. It has an access coupon for enrolling into the online course Digital Citizenship and Internet Maturity Powers. Follow these instructions to enroll yourself. Before you start Chapter 1, take a look at the posters and booklets. Give this booklet to your parents. It will help them understand what skills you are learning from the online course and also establish a healthy communication between them and you on digital topics. This booklet is for the online safety of the whole family. When you reach Chapter 10, watch the video with your whole family. All family members must memorize the I Mature Safety Mantra and read out the Oath of Online Safety. On the backside, fill the contacts of your local cyber police, cyber lawyer and cyber psychologist. Always keep this booklet handy. Now, the posters. Put them up at a nice place in your room. They will be useful after you have completed the online course. This poster will keep reminding you about the most important message of the final chapter. This one is the action poster. Write your career goal here. Write the skills you need to reach that goal here. Write your activity plan for building a healthy body and mind here. In this green zone, write down how exactly you will utilize these 7 things to achieve these goals. The red zone has 6 questions which you must keep asking yourself every few days. And that's how you become internet mature.